Hi friends, welcome to Tech Chanakya and my name is Chandrakant. Today we will be reviewing this Blue Dio T2 Plus headphones. These are Bluetooth headphones but you can use them using this 3.5 mm headphone jack and connect these headphones with the wire to headphones. And these headphones have little bit different folding mechanism. They do not fold but they just like swing mechanism. And you can store them like this. The build quality of these headphones is pretty nice. They are solid build, though they are made up of plastic, entirely plastic, except this extension strap. These are made up of metals, and the entire body is made up of plastic. But the plastic quality is good, and they look and feel like premium headphones. The headband have, you can say, yeah, turbine branding, and this cushioning is also pretty soft. It is very comfortable to head while using these headphones, and you can adjust these headphones using this strap. And these headphones have 57 ohm driver, and it is also written on here. Yes, so the sound quality is very nice. I will give 4.4 star out of 5 for the sound quality. Let me talk about some functions of these headphones. These headphones have inbuilt MP3 player, means you can insert your memory card in this slot and you can play the music or music files from that memory card directly via these headphones. No need of connecting this headphone to mobile. And also these headphones also support the FM receiver. So you can hear FM songs or you can receive FM channels using these headphones without connecting these headphones to mobiles. And the cup size is pretty not I won't say that they are large, but for some users they are comfortable. And personally, I feel little bit awkward while using these headphones because as these are circular cups and not the oval, so the upper part of the ear get stuck here. So after using for some time, I get distracted or feel little bit uncomfortable, and that's my personal experience. Some people won't experience this thing also, but the sound quality is very nice, and the cushion padding is also very nice and soft. We have here microphone here also. Hope you can see. Yes. So using this, you can answer the mobile calls and you can talk with your friends using these headphones directly. No need of connecting the wire. And uh, if you ask me about the sound quality, comparison between wireless and with connected wirelessly or with wire, I will say that when you connect these headphones with your mobile using the wire, then the sound quality is much better than the connecting these headphones to mobile via Bluetooth. So if you want to hear much better sound quality, then use wire. And if you want to listen music wirelessly, then and if you are okay with the little bit compromise in sound quality, then go for wireless. Now I will connect these headphones first using Bluetooth to my mobile and will show you the uh, sound quality. Now I have connected these headphones to my mobile via Bluetooth and I will show you the sound quality. You won't get the exact quality of sound, but you can just listen or you can get an idea. Over here there is one rocker. If you move this rocker to this side and hold, then it will increase the volume, and if you move it on this side and hold it, then it will decrease the volume. If you just move this and leave it, then it will go to next sound. If you want to pause the sound, you can press this button, it will pause the sound. If you press it again, it will start playing again. To use these headphones as a MP3 player or as a FM receiver, you have to, for MP3 player, you have to first insert memory card. I don't have a memory card right now, as all my mobiles don't support memory card, so I don't have right now. And if you want to use this headphone as a, but if you want to use it as MP3 player and FM, the procedure is same. You have to just press this rocker for some time, and then this green light will blink. Then it is in the FM. Now you can listen, you can hear this is in FM mode. You can change the channels from this scan button, or same way you change the music in the music player. Now I will connect these headphones using the wire and show you the difference. Now I have connected these headphones using the wire to my mobile, and the best part of these headphones are, if you run out of battery and you are on the way, or you don't have the charger, you can simply connect these headphones with the wire, and you don't have to switch on the headphones, and you can use these headphones to listen the music. You don't have to worry about the battery and other things. Now I will play some music. As you can hear, the volume is little bit low while connected using wire, but the sound quality, if you hear it personally, then you will realize that the sound quality is much greater while connecting using wire. And this is one drawback of these headphones, that when you increase the volume, this there is some type sort of sound leakage. Means if you are listening music with the loud noise, then some person sitting beside you can hear what you are hearing. These are some drawbacks. And one I noticed that cup size, as the cup size is circular, shape is circular, after some time of use, I feel little bit uncomfortable using this headphone, and that is the uncomfortable part is personal to me. Some other person won't be uncomfortable using it for long time. So this is the review of the Blue Dio T2 Plus Bluetooth and wired headphones. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some comments or suggestion, then do give us a comment or do write them in the comment section. Thank you so much.